going to work?
Check out all the ropey parking.
Flat tyre.
Morning, sir. How are you, man? Caterina Estate, door mark to Escort. Console, huge turbo. The aggression, carbon ductile, very adamival. Film over there. Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes. This is my beautiful girlfriend Kat, and this morning we're up super early because we're going to a breakfast car meet with Esther, my ST170 powered Mark 1 Escort, still having her damage repaired, and Maud, my Maud Mark 2 Escort, still waiting to go on the dyno to get her new engine tuned. It means we're going to have to take my dad's trusty Mark 3 Escort. Start the day the right way with a McD's breakfast. Cheers. Thank you. Cheers. Got a couple of stops to make on the way to the breakfast meet this morning. We're going to be rendezvousing with Danny and David Coogan first, and then we're going to be stopping off at another McDonald's to meet up with Mark 2 Mitch.
Work.
Morning.
How you doing, Kat?
Morning. Special delivery. I think there's some left in it. Most of it's spilt down. Catch that. Should we make a move?
Let's make a move.
Got a tunnel. Quick pit stop to deal with this flat tyre. Also noticed the bonnet bouncing about quite a bit. Should be alright. Thank you, sir. Coogans seem to not have any indicators. Must have blown a fuse.
Because we stopped for Marcus and his breakdown.
Yeah, they all look alright to me. I don't know if the indicators are maybe wired through the hazard switch. So maybe the hazard switch itself is faulty. Because you said they stopped working when you put the hazards on.
Yeah, when you broke down.
My fault. Weird. Luckily it's only indicators. His brake lights and all that still work. Morning, sir. Now that we can talk about it, congratulations on the Mark 2 Escort.
Thank you. Giving you just correctly.
Yeah, I put it through the car wash yesterday. Check out all the ropey parking.
4 guys, isn't we?
One wheel pill. Right, so the meet we're going to today is called Horsepower at Herbies, which is held at Herbies Diner in Cambridge. It's organised by a guy called AD Bright. Shout out to you if you're watching, mate. Now, we actually went to this meet earlier on in the year, and Kat drove this car then, and I took Esther, and Esther actually won car of the meet and won me a free breakfast. I don't think I'm going to be winning car of the meet today. Morning, sir.
How are you? Well?
I'm all right. How are you, man?
Very good, thanks.
Cold?
My cat, freezing, freezing.
main car park. You've still
Cool.
got a few spots.
Oh,
Okay?
nice one.
All right, mate.
Cheers. All right, so we've made it to Herbies Diner in Cambridge. I will leave links to all their social media in the description. Definitely go and give them a follow. Our convoy got pretty decent parking spots underneath the Horsepower Herbies banner. Really, really wide range of cars here today, which is good. So cool to see so many people coming out despite the weather. Check out the Mark II Caterina estate with a ST170 in the bay, running on bike carbs. Really love the red interior as well. A really, really tidy Civic over here. Really smart engine bay. Check out the kit car parked next to it. Don't know if it's a Caterham or what. Loving this Mordor Mark II Escort. Really like those rims. Brown interior in it. Tidy aftermarket steering wheel. Check out this really, really cool console. Loving the red wheels with the white wall tyres. I think these sun visor things are really cool. Just chatting to the owner of this Fiesta, running an ST170 with a huge turbo on it. This was actually on the Ignition Advantages channel. It made over 300 horsepower on his dyno. This Mark II Fiesta belongs to AD Bright, who's the organiser of this meet. Got an ST170 lump in the bay. Yeah, love the aggression all around this car. Wide arches, front lip. Love those wing mirrors. Plastic windows with the sliders. Really cool spoiler on the back. And a cheeky diffuser. That is really cool. Check out this super clean Mark II Fiesta. Same colour as Mitch's. Loving that front lip on there. Quite original looking inside. That is actually rocking a Mark II Mitch sticker. Seen this Sierra here before. It's got a V8 in the bay. I absolutely love those BBS alloys. Still plenty of cars turning up. Really cool Mark I with a ducktail boot lid. Saf Cozzy. Making plenty of noises. Check out the Ratlook VW Bread Van Polo. Full length sunroof on it. Another really cool Mark II Fiesta. Loving the aggression on this one as well. The wide arches and the front lip. Loving the pink tow high. Single wiper conversion. And check out that rear window louvre. Really cool Sierra XR 4x4. Sitting on the gold BBS alloys. Check out the Recaro interior. Check out this really cool bubble arched Mark I Escort that we saw coming in. Sitting on the 5-spoke Revolution alloys. And that sticker there will be a hint to what engine's in the bay. Proper extensive roll cage with the gussets into the pillars. Really, really racy cockpit. Love these wing mirrors that are mounted up on the doors. If we go to the back, you can see that it's got a carbon fibre ducktail boot lid. And if any of you guys are in the market for any carbon fibre for your Mark I Escort, including those ducktail boot lids, definitely get in touch with Gary Ball. I'll leave links to his Facebook and his Instagram in the description. Check out this really clean Mark V Fiesta with an ST170 in the bay. Loving the colour-coded rocker cover. Yeah, look how clean this engine bay is. Awesome. Really smart Mark I Cortina. Z-Tech lump in the bay, running on Gen V throttle bodies. Really tasty Edwards exhaust manifold, sitting on gold mini light alloys. And next to that, we've got a really cool 100E with what I think is a Mazda MX-5 lump in the bay. And I'm loving the neon yellow rocker cover, very Adam Ivel-esque. Here's the Saf Cozzy that we saw coming in a little while ago. Loving that. Really, really like those alloys as well. Really tidy black leather Recaro interior. Do love a Saf Cozzy. Another really cool, really aggressive looking Mark II Fiesta. Loving the grey and orange colour scheme on this. Orange engine bay with what I think is a Puma lump in it. Single wiper conversion. Really cool orange roll cage in there. Awesome. Loving the Honda Integra Type R on the Rays TE37 alloys. Carbon fibre bonnet. Really cool front splitter. Stripped out interior. With a roll cage in the back. It seems like some people are leaving, so we're going to head to the exit and see if anyone's going to give it large. Car park is looking very empty now. Cat is too cold to be standing outside any longer. AD's fired up his Mark II, just putting the bonnet back on. Just spotted a really cool Mark II Fiesta that I must have missed earlier on. Sitting on the mini light alloys. Really cool. Really clean, original interior. Loving the St George's flag on the parcel shelf. Right, time for us to do the off, but apparently there's a meet at North Weald today, so we're going to pass through there and see what's going on. Coogan's done me. Film over there. Dear oh dear. Oh, he's so lucky we didn't catch it. Oh, here we go, look. Alright, so we've made it to North Weald. It's mainly all modern Fords here. A Mark III Focus ST, or is it? ST Fiesta with some nice purple touches around it. ST 220 Mondeo, rocking antlers. This is the car that's most catching my eye at this meet. Mark I Mondeo, originally a 2.5 V6, but it's now got the ST 220 24 valve V6 in it. The livery is inspired by Matt Neal's touring car. Really cool white alloys on it. Nice set of bucket seats in there. Removable steering wheel. And a really cool wing, caged, but it still does have rear seats in it. Lunchtime, check out this for a posh sandwich. Bacon, egg and sausage. Oh look, I've got Doritos with it, man. Cat's being boring and having a jacket potato. The Coogan's on a diet. One, two, three.
Oh.
Alright, so back on the road. We're actually going to be going to pass through to see my good friends Fred, sometimes known as Lee, and his Mrs. Hannah. Fred has actually just got his Fiesta back from Clump Fab. had a little bit of welding done, and he's had the whole of the underneath put in red oxide so that it's ready for Fred to paint when he gets a chance. Anyway, it's been a really cool morning, heading out and checking out some cars. I was really surprised at how many people actually showed up to the Herbies meet this morning. So yeah, massive shout out to AD Bright and the organisers of that one. And it was cool to check out the North Weald meet as well. And I'll leave their relevant social media links in the description. As I mentioned in the last video, over the next week or so, I'm going to be cracking on with a couple of bits on my new project, and then I'm probably going to turn my attention back to Maud to finalise the fitting of her new bucket seats. But yeah, you'll be able to see all of that in the up and coming videos. So for now, I'm going to end this video here. If you did think it was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Click subscribe to keep up to date with all my future uploads, and check the links in the description to my social media and my website. I'll also leave my email address down there for anyone who wants to contact me. Massive thanks to each and every one of you for your continued support of my channel. But other than that, until next time, from me and my beautiful girlfriend Kat, thanks for watching.